Oh my God, how did she get up over there? Can you wiggle your kutipot? Can you wiggle your kutipot? Wiggle now. Official, so where are Mama's going to sleep now? Where I'm going to sleep?
Good morning, Philippines!
Seriously, nag-snow. Hi, Papa. Good morning. Tingnan niyo, guys. Nag-snow. Good morning, love. It's snowing, baby. Thank you. My God. Patay na yung mga ano ko, guys. Yung litos ko dun. Radish. Roxy! Han, oy, that is squirrel ba, Han? Oh my God, how did she get up over there? Which branch? Do we have to cut it? Go, come here, come, let's go. Come, let's go. Come here, let's go, Alice. Hala. Snow. Ay, nako na squirrel na to. Misty, let's go, Alice. Come here, let's go. Go, Pipi. Palabasin natin, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go, pay that way. Oh my God, ang ginaw. Okay, let's go. Come, go, Pipi. Go. Go, let's go. Tignan nyo, guys, yung ano ko, oh. Tinabunan ko yung the other side. Anong klaseng spring ito, guys? Nag-snow pa man, guys. Kaya itong mga taong magkasakit dahil sa weather. Good morning, guys. Ngayon is sobrang ng ulo ko sakit. Hi, love. Hey, baby. How are you, baby? You're kissing your sister's ass? No, kissing. Sakit yung ulo ko. Ubo ako ng ubo since 4 o'clock in the morning and sinisipon din ako. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ito, pero yun yung naramdaman ko. Yeah, you know what to give you ikit song every time I use that with walking. Sakit yung katawan ni Tami dahil sa ginawa namin kahapon. Nag-widwalk din siya pagkatapos look, nag-swollen itong ilong ko. My nose is swollen from that because ang sakit ng ilong ko, guys. No, this is from days already. I told you it's bleeding. Nagdudugo-dugo itong ilong ko, and then yung dugo tumitigas, and then kinukuha ko, and then
I'll tell you what, for me, when mine was bleeding, it was going like a while ago. There was blood every night or like every day.
ganun din siya noong few weeks ago. Like my face, this one hand is swollen, hand, it hurt, oh.
That was here and then back in the Rochelle. So I went from here back to the Rochelle, so I was every day.
So this nose is swollen. Right here is swollen or hurt. Then I've been coughing 4 o'clock this morning, and yun, my head is hurting now. I have to drink water as usual every morning to make me feel like, look, Han, dimples now also want to play, look. Oh, the squirrel is joining the bird, Dad. Look under, oh, there's my Google Hangout. Pamangkin ni Tami, pero naingayan si Tami dahil sa mga ginagawa. Magdapat pa may account. Nilalabhan ko. Ilagay ko siya sa plastic, cellophane, basura. Dito, para hindi siya maabog. Kasi ilagay ko siya doon, hindi ko. Dito tayo sa bedroom. Pero look, tignan nyo yung snow. Dito tayo sa second floor, guys. Yung snow, look. Grabe. Grabe yung snow. Kaloka. Ito yung bedroom sa taas na hindi namin ginagamit. Dito kami natutulog noong buhay pa si MaryAnn kasi doon siya sa baba. Dito kami. So ngayon ginawa naming empty room and walang lang. Dito lang sa closet itong mga pillows, blankets, bedsheets. Yan, ilagay natin dyan. And itong mga papel na andito sa baba is ano siya, tawag nito. I-arrange ko yan kasi naghalongkat ako ng mga gamit. Few weeks ago, yung sa green card ko, may hinahanap kami. At ito yung ipapadala ko sa Pinas. Nag-ano lang ako guys, nagtawag nito. Si Tammy nag-add ng ano dito sa floor, dyan. Nag-add siya, tingnan nyo ang ano, shiny doon. Kasi nag-add si Tammy 3 layers. And then, i-finalize ko to bukas 1 layer para i-cover up yung... Tumapa kasi yung aso doon. So, kaya kailangan ko siyang i-finalize 1 layer para i-cover. And dito, 2 layer lang kasi hindi man ito traffic dito. Wala guys, nanonood lang kami ng TV. Dito, nakaupo. Walang mga ginagawa. Yun yung mga kaganapan. Ano, green onion. Oh, tumubo na siya. Yun. At ito, ano pa rin, malnourished. Catnip, tumubo na rin. Di ba, nag-snow kanina? Tignan natin ang ano guys, ang horseradish kasi nag-snow. So ngayon gusto kong malaman kung I'm for sure yung parsley ni Tammy doon na patay na yun guys. Andito, tinabunan ko sila guys ng ano. Look. Oh, buhay pa sila, look. Buhay pa din yung parsley. Hello. Hello. Hi, Dimps. You cannot go. You cannot go, baby. What are you, why are you going down? What? Misty, stay there, Mitch, okay? You stay there, okay? Yung TV is on day and night. Day and night. And dito, hindi ko pa talaga nilinis, guys. At saka ito, meron pa akong mga, ano tawag nito? Tutupiin. O, anuhin, para masuot na natin ito. Tahiin ko lang to. Tahiin ko na ito ngayon, guys. Para masuot na natin. Ito yung tawag nila dito sa pira nila. Okay? Quarter, nickel, dimes, and then penny. Kung marami, pennies. So, he's borrowing my gaming camera, look. Hindi ko na ito nagagamit, pero I can use this for like doing live, but I haven't doing live lately. So, I don't know. Sino yung mga kausap? Who are you going to talk tonight?
You can crack the code and tell us what trees they were executing.
My niece and nephew.
Your niece and nephew? Why? How do you know if its nephew is there?
Because that's what's in life.
Son, you are upset your bones, but I won't bury you.
He's busy, so I will let him. This is so good.
You leave me.
You see, only one end to yours.
You smell so good, love.
She did. She could have.
Careful, don't drop my...
I can't change that.
What if before she died, she wrote a letter saying, and what if,
Is that clear? Okay.
to spare you pain?
Okay. You put the higher.
I'll put
That's only higher thing you can do?
No.
there, you use right.
How high do we want it?
To try.
Well, these legs go up.
Okay. Put it here like that.
Someone that I have cared for since I first heard his cries echo through this house.
Can you wiggle ba?
Ba!
You wiggle your kutipot. Can you wiggle your kutipot? Can you wiggle your kutipot? Wiggle now. Wiggle your kutipot, love.
Take that camera out of my butt.
Love.
Finish?
I'm not gonna have vegetables.
You want to finish?
No. But if you want, I can make it. Let me get it.
Before this gets all molded up.
So, kakain kami ng lunch. Dinner. What's wrong with my camera? So, guys, nagdi-defrost ako ng malaking roast beef. Kasi I have one here and I told you na wala yung isa doon sa isang bahay. May nagsasabi, ba't magagalit? Ginamit. No. Okay lang yun kunin. Okay lang yun nasa kanila. But kailangan nilang magtanong. Kailangan magtanong, hindi kunin ng walang pasintabi. Ang mahal ng mga roast beef ngayong panahon na to, ang mahal. So, hindi pwede basta-basta kukuha ng walang pasintabi or kahit ano, pag-ask lang yan. Kaya for sure, kahit itong isa, kasi...
Who do you call an ass clown?
Ask clown. Dahil if somebody would say, oh Tommy, I like this steak, I like this roast beef, Tommy, even it's expensive, he would say, yes, you can have it, it's okay. So, kailangan talagang magtanong. Kasi kapag hindi ka magtanong, and then kukunin mo lang ng walang pahintulot sa'yo, hindi ba yun basta-bastang bilhin?
Who's a bastard? What do you got bastard? What do you say bastard?
Can you say the halaka diha? No, say halaka diha.
Halakaya.
Han, you cannot just eat burger, Han.
I could eat a booger.
Siya lang yung isa doon, walang kausap. Siya lang mag-isa. Yung mga dapat kausap niya, hindi tumunga. Hindi sumipot. Ang ganda ng paligid, guys. Sobrang green na green talaga yung paligid. And the yard is so nice, Han. Look at poor husband. He's the one over there. He's waiting sa... Hinihintay niya yung mga tao na dapat kausap niya. Wala, hindi sumipot. Kawawa naman yung baby, eh.
Oh my god, it's been rough. Oh my god, it's insane. I can't stand it anymore. Yeah. What is he playing? They're just, I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I can't keep track. He plays,
Rocks enough of you.
yeah. I don't know what he plays.
Roxy, come here, Roxy, Misty.
Just because, Rocket League is definitely one that Gavin likes to play, and I tried to play it. It's so hard. I don't. Like Gavin had me play it, and I'm like, I think I touched the ball once. Like I couldn't. I don't know how to do it. I don't have the order. Yeah, what do you call it again?
Family, my baby boy is here with us. We're going to annoy him. Mwah, my little baby is.
He says you already annoyed me.
He's
Sleeping
purring.
nice.
He's purring, honey. Okay, guys, we're going to end the vlog. Look at this little boy sleeping with us. Slow, I love you, Baba. I love you. This is my family.
Yeah, not like we were the other three.
Huh?
You're missing three.
Halahan, there's something wrong in his ear. Look at it. Is that normal? That black thing?
On the edge of the ear?
No, inside.
I don't know. You're closing them up. I don't see nothing abnormal.
Nothing?
Mama poking her fingers in your ears.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. He's such a special little boy. Special. So where are Mama's going to sleep now? Where I'm going to sleep?
Foot of the bed, Mama. Foot of the bed. You sleep down there where Roxy sleeps.
Okay, guys, we're going to end the vlog. Tommy is talking to his family before, so anyway, and then done a long time ago. Good night, guys. See you in my next vlog.
Hi, guys. Say good night, Hobbs.
Good night. Hon, he is so cute, hon. I can't resist. Look at him. My babies, my two boys. They are my two boys, guys. Yeah, they are my two boys. Okay, where I'm gonna sleep, hon? Okay, hon, I'm gonna leave you, hon. I sleep over there.
He just curl up with you the way he always does.
I cannot lie down there.
Yes, you could. He just curls with you. He moves and curls up with you. Look, now you made him get up to leave.
Where are you going, Bug?
Now you made him leave.
Good night, guys.